Mystery Box Nick has struck again with 3 new surprise packages. 2 of them I'll reveal on the channel today, right here on Gary's Stuff. Hi there, I'm Gary. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I am revealing the contents of 2 new mystery boxes sent to me by Mystery Box Nick. There's a 3rd one, but that's not for tonight. That's for another day. I'll tell you more about that later on. Now, if you enjoy the show, and I hope you do, please do remember the best way to support the channel is to subscribe. And if you hit that bell, you'll be notified of all my future content as it turns up, and it won't cost you a penny to do that. If you like anything you see on the channel, please do remember give it the old imperial thumbs up on the like button below, because every like counts. And if you'd like to support the channel in a more concrete way, you can do that through any of my partner programs, details of which are in the information box below. So let's make a start and have a look at 2 of the packages that Nick sent me this time. So here's the first of the mystery boxes for today. It says, what would you get in World War I with 3 wings, but not sure where to put them? Now, I think I know what this could be. I mean, it's a triplane, of course. It's got 3 wings, but not sure where to put them. If this is what I think it is, I'm going to be absolutely delighted, because this has been on my wish list at a certain online store for a long time, waiting for me to say, oh, do you know what, I'm going to get that. And I have a suspicion what it is. And if it is what it is, I am so excited. I can't tell you, because I love weird stuff. And this, it was weird. If it's what I think it is, I can't tell, because as you see, I haven't opened it yet. So I'm going to open this and hope it is what I think it is. And if it isn't what I think it is, it's going to be even more fun, because I won't have known. But I think I know what this is, and I really hope it is what I think it is. Should just go for it down here, yeah. These scissors are not the best scissors in the world, but that helps build the dramatic tension, doesn't it? Don't you think? I think so. I'm going to have to get some different scissors, because those are driving me mad. These tiny little scissors, these are... Look, I use those for cutting up decal sheets. Anyway, there we go. Is it what I think? Oh, it is! It is the Newport triplane. I absolutely love this thing. Look, because it's a triplane, okay? But the middle wing is right up by the engine. The top wing is staggered right back. It's like this weird stagger. I absolutely love this thing. It is totally bonkers. And you know me, I love bonkers things. A little bit of rigging I can do as well. Some control cabling, maybe I can put. I don't know. I haven't had a look at the kit yet, but look at that. French colours as well. Very pretty. Very pretty. This is going to be a lot of fun. So I will have a look at this kit very soon in more detail, because I think it's absolutely beautiful. Nick, you're an absolute genius. You know I love bonkers stuff. You know I love bonkers stuff. And this is one of the most bonkers things that's ever flown, I think. It's probably for a reason. I'll look into the reason of it before I put the video of the box opening up. So that's something to look forward to. Really happy with that. Now, number 2. Well, actually, it's number 3, because number 2 is for another day. I'll talk to you about that in a minute. But number 3, the second one for tonight, it's a what if. What if I had twin tails, twin engines in Germany, 1944. Now, if it's a what if plane, so it's not going to be something like a Focke 189, I suspect, or is it the really weird version of it, the single seat version maybe? I don't know. What do you think? What do you think, good people? What if I had twin tails and twin engines in Germany, 1944? Is it too early for jets? So a Heinkel 280, because that had a twin tail. Well, it didn't have a twin tail. It had a twin fins. It didn't have a twin tail, really, did it? Okay, let's find out. I don't know what it is. Let's find out. It is like Christmas. Whenever this stuff arrives from Nick, it is like Christmas for me. I am so excited to see what these things are. Germany, 1944. So it's not a Luft 46 project. Twin tails, it's not a Horton or anything like that. I've actually got a Horton 9 up there to make that Nick sent before. Maybe I'll get around to doing that soon. The Revell one. Okay, that's all good. That's all good. That's all good. Let's just whiz this along here then. Well, I can see AZ. It's an AZ kit. AZ normally do some very strange things. So, have we figured it out yet? Because I haven't. Yes? No? Let's have a look then. Oh, dramatic tension. Can we do it anymore? Oh, hello. Ah! It's the 109Z Night Fighter with 3 canopy masks. That is brilliant. That is really interesting because it's a Night Fighter. It's got twin cockpits, whereas the later, well, the first idea one blanked off the cockpits. This is beautiful. Retro wings. Oh, in cooperation with AZ. Fantastic. We do like a lot. Oh, and there's some fun schemes as well. There's an Italian scheme. Sand, dark green and brown. Now, you see, I've got these colours now because I've got a set of Italian colours, so I can do that. Or should I do these really weird, spotty? That could be quite amusing to do that. What's the background of that, do you reckon? Please note, all camouflage schemes are fictitious. Well, yeah, there's only one of these ever built, and it was blown up in an air raid. So, of course, it is fictitious. But anyway, I like the red dragon on that, though. Very Welsh looking. That's nice. Personal emblem of the crew. Completely fictitious, of course it is. But then this very spotty camouflage does appeal to me somehow. I don't know which of these I'm going to do. Really don't. Excellent, then. Absolutely excellent. Nick, love it, mate. Absolutely love it. This one seems, and this is interesting because this one seems to have only one pair of wheels, whereas on prototype one it actually had 2 pairs of wheels, but the wheels were inset slightly, so really close together, which made it really difficult to put together as it happens. Anyway, very excited to build this 109Z2 Night Fighter. I will be putting this together before too long because you know me and I love a what if kit. So Nick, that, my friend, is brilliant. I love it. Absolutely love it. So that brings me on to the last one. Now, here's the thing. Here's the box. Here's the box. Let's get that focused. There we go. You'll notice it says here, live show. There's a reason for that. What Nick has offered to do is we will bring this back on the live stream on the 4th of July. Okay, Thursday, the 4th of July is the next live stream show. A little while after we've started going, we will have this back on and you can guess what it is from this, we will need what it is, what scale, and who made it. Okay? The first person to get it right gets a kit from Mystery Box Nick as well. Nick, you're a very generous man. Thank you so very much for doing this. I think this could be quite fun. So on the live show, I'll do the unboxing on the live show. We'll have some guesses up to maybe the first hour. Then after the first hour, I'll unbox this and we'll see what we've got. And if someone's guessed it, Nick will send you a kit. Okay? Remember, 4th of July, 8 till 10 British summer time in the evening, 1900 to 2100 Zulu. I'll see you there. Do come and have a guess at what this might be. So there we have it. 2 new kits to be made and 1 mystery still to be revealed. I don't know what it is yet, so I'm as much in the dark as you are. If you enjoy the show and you'd like to support the channel, best way to do that is to subscribe. And if you hit the bell, you'll be notified of all my future content as it is published. And of course, anything on my channel you like, please do give it the old imperial thumbs up on the like button below, because every like counts. Thank you so very much for watching. Hope to see you again very soon. Take good care now, and goodbye.